assignment, homework 1, design research. Let's click on that. This is your first homework assignment, and the first homework assignments that I have are a bunch of research exercises. And so here's homework 1. And I've given you a list of designers, okay, graphic designers. Some of them were graphic designers and architects. Some of them were graphic designers and fashion designers. But all of these are graphic designers, okay? And it says right here, research these designers. You are welcome to research designers not on this list, but they have to be a graphic designer. So I'm giving you a name of a designer, and I'm also giving you a descriptor. And the descriptor sort of describes their work a little bit. Okay, so if you're going to pick Neville Brody, he's kind of a grungy designer, kind of has chaos, eclectic, and he worked with fun fonts. Okay, so that's how you would describe Neville Brody. David Carson is sort of a similar designer, but even more chaotic, even more distressed. All right, so when you go through these, you'll get an idea of maybe what their work looks like. What I want you to do is I want you to research this list. So go online, research these people, and then part 2 says list 3 designers you find interesting. So I like Neville Brody, I like Massimo Vignelli, and I like Stipe Pinel. And why? Please answer why you find these designers interesting. What makes them special? Please write this in sentence format in Canvas. Deliverable, text or copy in Canvas. So it's a research exercise, right? You're going to go through this list, you're going to find out who these people are, and you're going to start finding out who famous graphic designers are, who has influenced what we are doing today. So this is sort of a historical research exercise. Okay, does that make sense? So a lot of you said you're interested in graphic design. I think it's really important to understand what's happened before us. And you'll realize that a lot of the contemporary things or the things that are being done now borrow from a lot of these previous designers, okay? And so it's important to have an awareness of how these designers influence what we're seeing today and how it might influence your work.